Gatho cia mwanya muno ni undu wa gucoka kuma tuko ginya kiroko giki gutire mukenya mukenu ni undu wa maria marikitie kumburanio megie gikuo giki kia mukenya Albert Omondi Ojwang kuringana na now released CCTV footage ya kuria Mbagathi Hospital. DCI boss NIG Kaja magikorwo makihenia a Kenya in broad daylight kuria Parliament. We are tired of being lied to every day. Kutetea hii government imekuwa ngumu bwana. Rest in peace Albert. All we need now is the faces of these policemen on this CCTV. Timiario yakwa ni miario ya Kenyans after kuona CCTV ya Mbagathi ikianeka uhoro uyu kegie gikuo kia Albert Ojwang. Hau kabere kwari na ripoti ati Albert Ojwang might have died kuria Mbagathi Hospital, but reu CCTV ironania ati already Ojwang was dead agitwaro Mbagathi. Kogwa information ya thibitari ucio wa Mbagathi yari yama. In the video borithi maronekana moire dakika 20 before ginyagia kuigeria Ojwang thibitari.
Baada ya dakika 10 hivi, mwendo wa saa 7 na dakika 46 usiku huo, maafisa hao watatu wanaonekana wakitoka ndani ya hospitali na machele ya kumbeba Ojwang.
Na kido CCTV footage eno reu irakionania ni ati DCI boss Amin na IG Douglas Kanja ni mahenanirie in broad daylight. Na kioreke nene kuri a Kenya after kuona CCTV footage eno now released by Citizen TV ni kigitumigia borithi kwaga gukorwo na ihenya kuigeria Albert Ojwang thibitari after wekoro magikinya kuri Mbagathi, and also who borithi oyo aragia nake on the phone after gukorwa gikinya thibitari, and why statement cia Kaja na DCI boss itarahanana na events ishi cia CCTV footage.
At 01:35 hours, the same PC Mohammed Hilo Abdullahi again made an entry in the occurrence book. What did he say? Now, Duty Officer IP Nganga and the cell sentry PC Kimani have visited the cells and found, and I'm reading verbatim.
You have the extract of the OB, the one you are referring to?
Yes, we have.
You can supply the same to us?
Yeah. I'm just reading for purpose of the Hansard.
Okay.
And have found most of them well, apart from the last cell where he found a prisoner, namely Albert Omondi Ojwang, who was alone in his cells, making a lot of noise while kicking the cell walls.